What's happening, kimchi lovers? Today, we thought we'd take you on an afternoon stroll around one of our favorite areas of downtown LA. We'll do a little window shopping, mostly for collectibles, and of course, we gotta show you some of the great food available. So here it is, Little Tokyo in 7 stops.
So we're trying to figure out where to eat, but there's a lot of people and a lot of options.
There's a lot of options, a lot more than what we had when we first came, so it's definitely changed a lot.
I go home on bun.
Hey, you got that?
Yamazaki Bakery has an outdoor kiosk with some incredible steamed buns, and there are even more delicious treats inside the bakery. We always like to buy quite a few of them for snacking later at the hotel.
No, you totally not waited for me. You didn't wait for me.
Gotta go. But I didn't.
Let me see. Oh, how is it?
Well, because I remember how good it was, so I was like, I'm gonna dig in.
That looks like more than half then.
Here's a cafe that has everything under the sun when it comes to Japanese classic dishes. A perfect spot for a hearty lunch.
Is that what you got?
Yep, just rice and miso soup. That's all you need.
That's not cool, man.
Yeah.
So what did you order?
I ordered the katsudon.
With a fork.
Yeah, with a fork. Because I suck at using chopsticks, so fork it is. Yeah. Yeah, my pork cutlet is pretty soft. It's pretty good, and it has that nice sweetness from the sauce that they pour on the donburi or the katsudon bowl. It's really good. Chin-chin. The first thing you're eating off your plate is a gyoza.
I'll be back.
That's cold.
Yeah, it was on the cold section. It tastes like spinach.
Tastes like spinach.
So which is the curry pork cutlet. Dipping into the sauce. It's good.
Using that sauce every year. Like bulldog sauce.
Yeah.
That's what makes it good.
Now it's time for some collectible window shopping, starting with this kaiju paradise. Monster Patrol has an excellent selection of vintage and modern toys. Some are a bit on the pricier side, but these are hard to find items, so it's worth checking out. If you're looking for specialized kawaii goods, Neko Stop has a selection of popular items. Think of cute vinyls, plushies, stationery, and other fun stuff. Next on the list is PopKiller. They have a secondhand shop with a nice curated selection of vintage clothing. And next door, they have another store with very cool offbeat graphic tees and unique accessories. Maria definitely had us here for a while. If anime and collectibles are your thing, leave enough time to browse the different jungle stores in the Little Tokyo Mall. These stores alone are worth the trip down here.
In this section of Little Tokyo, you have the jungle stores. So right now there's one that's just dedicated to like trading cards, and there's one for anime and manga merchandise, which is over here. And right behind Maria, there's one that's for model kits. and like Ultraman, Godzilla vinyls. So it's model kits and vinyls right behind. So, and there's another store, but it's not. It's kind of like so you can buy your used figures, like figures that you might not like anymore. You can sell it back to them.
And they have the Funko one.
Yeah, you can sell your Funkos, you can sell your action figures. I don't know about your model kits, but that's pretty cool that they have like these different stores dedicated to different things.
Make sure to ask if you can take pictures and video, as some of these stores don't allow it. The Gunpla Vintage Toys one had no issues with it. And it's actually our favorite store, so we're glad we can show you some of it. Their selection is excellent, and the prices are pretty decent.
Alright, we're done. We're done toy shopping. We didn't get a thing, but window shopping.
Yeah, we went window shopping, and definitely there's a lot of really cool stores here. If you're into the anime stuff, definitely the jungle stores. They have basically everything you could possibly want. So definitely check those out. And they are doing like the COVID protocols. There's limited amount of space inside the store, so you might have to do lines. So if you're coming, be aware of that, right?
And if you're into kaiju, go to the monster store.
Yeah. Definitely some really cool stuff here.
We have one final stop that we visited a couple of days later.
We came to Chinchikurin and we ordered Hiroshima style okonomiyaki. And I think Hiroshima style has like noodles, and it looks really good. It smells really good. Right now I can smell that seaweed topping, but I'm excited. It looks super hot. But you know what? Let's cut it up. You get this seaweed powder, the sauce, a fried egg, the noodles, bacon, and the batter at the end. At least that's how I saw it on their poster. I'm gonna have that for a fork.
That's a lot of mayo.
That did not come out how I thought it was gonna come out. I thought it was gonna be like this really nice and pretty line. Here we go. Bon appetit. That's really good. The last time that we had okonomiyaki was in Chicago, and that one
better.
I think I prefer the one from Chicago. This is really good though. It's not like any bad flavors or anything like that. I just think the one in Chicago was like meatier, like beefier. But again, I'm just getting the classic, so you can't get a beefier okonomiyaki if you want.
I might like it more than the one in Chicago. This is simple.
Yeah, this one's very simple,
Yeah, I like it better.
You wanted to have this for like the longest time, right?
And I got the mild because I'm not brave enough.
You went all in.
That's still spicy.
Really? It's mild and it's still spicy?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's really good. The flavor is very umami, very meaty.
Here, let's try it out.
It's really good, right?
It's really creamy.
Yeah, it is creamy. I think sesame cream is mild.
Yeah. And yeah, there is, even though you asked for mild, there is a slight kick to it. But it's not super spicy or anything like that. So it's a pretty good spice, yeah. It's really good, I like it.
All right. Well, we hope you enjoyed this little tour of Los Angeles' Little Tokyo. Let us know if we missed any of your favorites in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.